today I will be unboxing and testing this Bosch Jigsaw. So the model is PST 800 PEL. So it's a 500 watts jigsaw with pendulum action. So I show here the box. So quick cutting progress. So 3-year guarantee. So, okay, 530 watts, 80 maximum of 80 millimeter cutting. Okay, show you also the back. So can cut wood. I think it's aluminum as well and metal. See the dimension there. Then it's easy to replace the to fit the blade in. Okay. There's also option to put the vacuum. Okay, so I opened it now so you can see this. I just cut this. So it comes with very nice hard case. Okay. I haven't used this one, so it's brand new. Okay. So it comes with the user's manual. So this goes for 750, 800, 8000, and 8500 PL or PEL. You can see with the different languages. Drawing here. Okay, so here is the jigsaw, but first I'll show you the accessory. So this one is like the cover on the front near the blade, so to prevent the dust from scattering around. And this one is the guide for cutting. So I'll just assemble now. Just press this one. Okay, like this, then you can turn a bit. Now here's a jigsaw. So at the bottom is a storage for the blade. Okay, I show you this one. Open this part, then can access the blade. Then I'll show you blade installation. To install the blade, you need to push this backwards. See here? Then you can put the blade in. Back, and that's it. Then to take it out, just put it down here. Same, then out. Put it in. Okay, that's it. As you see. Then to start, then just trigger this one. Okay, then this one goes to here. But first, I'll show you install this one. You can see there's a slot here. Then this thing goes here. Yeah, see it's locked here, also on this side. Okay, then you can cover this one. Now it's covered. Now I'll show you there was just a test with the power on, then later on I will cut some wood. I've connected the power, so just be careful when I press this one, then the blade will move. So first I can show you, okay, just maybe this one. So it starts slow and getting faster. So once you just press halfway, then it will be slowly. Then we press full, then it will fast. Okay, then for the pendulum action, so just set 1. And you can see this. I'll just remove this one to show you. can see the pendulum or the pulley. It's moving a little bit. Then number 2, see, much movement, and the last one, the maximum, no movement. Okay, about this switch is the blowing of dust. I think this one is blowing the dust forward. This one is nothing, not blowing at all. Okay, so that's it. I will try this one with wood cutting. But before wood cutting, I will just show you how to disassemble and keep it in the case. Yeah. So first I already unplugged the power, then I can just remove this one. Then can take this off. Then can remove the blade. To remove the blade, just push it up. Then the maximum point. Then you can take out the blade. Okay, so I'll just skip this one. Then later on I will cut some wood.